jeans and tie-dye shirt, barefoot for what it's worth. Between sets she said she could help with the harmony. Looked like she hadn't eaten in a week, dropped out of school living on the street. Nothing romantic, she smiled and bargained with me. Was the fifth song of the set. Some old timer got a bit upset. Yeah, well, that's enough of you. Let the young gal sing a song. I didn't argue when she began. From the start she held him in the palm of her hand. I sat there and strummed along. I'd sang that song 100 times. Sure, I drank